What if building wealth wasn't complicated? Imagine having a simple step-by-step guide that anyone can follow to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share 7 proven steps to grow your wealth, steps that are practical, achievable, and designed for anyone, no matter where you're starting from. After years of studying successful individuals and applying these methods myself, I know how powerful they can be. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start building wealth, one step at a time. If you've ever felt like wealth is out of reach, this video is for you. Let's simplify the journey and make financial freedom your reality. For many people, building wealth feels overwhelming. You might feel like you're working hard, saving a little, and trying to make smart financial choices, but progress seems slow or even non-existent. The truth is, most of us were never taught how to build wealth. We're told to work hard, save what we can, and hope for the best. But without a clear plan, it's easy to feel stuck or frustrated. I've been there too, working long hours and still wondering why my financial situation wasn't improving. The problem wasn't my effort, it was my lack of direction. Here's the good news. Wealth isn't reserved for the ultra-rich or the lucky few. It's about following a system, a step-by-step plan that helps you focus your efforts and take intentional action. In this video, we'll break down that system into 7 simple steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current finances, these steps will help you gain clarity, build momentum, and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Let's take the first step together by exploring the roadmap to wealth. Now that we've identified the challenges, let's focus on the solution, a step-by-step method to build wealth. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple but powerful steps. Set clear financial goals. Pay yourself first. Build an emergency fund. Start investing early. Create multiple streams of income. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Reinvest your gains. Each step is designed to build on the last, creating a strong foundation for financial success. Let's dive into the first step, setting clear financial goals. Step 1 is all about clarity. Set clear financial goals. Without a clear target, it's impossible to know where you're going or how to get there. Think of it this way. If you're saving money without a specific goal, it's like trying to hit a bullseye blindfolded. On the other hand, when you define your financial goals, every decision becomes more focused and intentional. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," create a specific goal, like save $10,000 for a down payment in the next 12 months. This gives you a clear target and a timeline to work toward. Here's a tip. Break your goals into short-term, 6 months to 1 year, medium-term, 1 to 5 years, and long-term, 5 years. Write them down and track your progress regularly. Action step. Take 5 minutes today to write down one financial goal you want to achieve. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to create a plan to reach it. With your goals defined, the next step is to start building the habit of paying yourself first. Step 2 is a game changer. Pay yourself first. This simple habit is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. Here's how it works. Before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. By doing this, you're prioritizing your financial future over your immediate expenses. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month, commit to saving at least 20% or $800. Automate this process by setting up a direct transfer to a savings or investment account. This way, the money is saved before you even notice it's gone. Why does this matter? Most people save whatever's left over at the end of the month, which is often nothing. By paying yourself first, you ensure that your wealth grows consistently, no matter your spending habits. Action step. Decide on a percentage of your income to save and automate it today. Even starting with 10% can make a significant difference. Now that you're saving, let's move to the next step, creating an emergency fund to protect your progress. Step 3 is about protecting yourself from the unexpected. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises: car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. Without a safety net, these events can derail your financial progress and force you into debt. That's where an emergency fund comes in. The goal is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. If your monthly expenses are $2,500, aim for an emergency fund of $7,500 to $15,000. If that feels overwhelming, start small here. First milestone could be $1,000. Here's a tip. Keep your emergency fund in a separate high-yield savings account. This keeps the money accessible but still earning interest while it sits there. Action step. Calculate your ideal emergency fund amount and set up automatic transfers to build it. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, like $50 or $100 a week. Once your emergency fund is in place, you're ready to take the next step, putting your money to work by starting to invest early. Step 4 is where the magic of wealth building happens. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. This is when your investments earn returns, and those returns start earning returns as well. For example, if you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 with an 8% annual return, you could have over $500,000 by the time you're 60. If you wait until age 35 to start, you'd have less than half that amount heaven if you invested the same amount monthly. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Start with what you can, even if it's $50 a month. Use simple tools like index funds or ETFs, which are diversified and low cost. Action step. Open an investment account today, whether it's a brokerage account, an IRA, or even an app. Automate your contributions so you invest consistently. Now that your money is working for you, let's explore how to diversify your income with multiple streams of revenue. Step 5 is about expanding your earning potential. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income, like your 9-to-5 job, is risky. If that income stops, so does your financial stability. Wealthy people know this, which is why they diversify their earnings. For example, you could combine income from your job with passive income sources like dividends, rental properties, or affiliate marketing. You might also start a side hustle, such as freelancing or selling products online. The beauty of multiple streams of income is that it provides a safety net and accelerates your wealth building. Even an extra $500 a month from a side hustle can make a huge difference when invested or saved. Action step. Identify one additional income stream you can start building today, whether it's a small online business, freelance work, or creating digital products. Start small and grow over time. Next, let's talk about a common mistake to avoid as your income grows. Lifestyle inflation. Step 6 is about maintaining control over your spending. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's how it happens. You get a raise, and suddenly, you feel the need to upgrade your car, move to a bigger house, or start eating out more often. While these changes might feel rewarding in the moment, they can prevent you from growing your wealth. Wealthy people resist lifestyle inflation by living below their means, even as their income increases. Instead of spending more, they direct those extra earnings toward savings, investments, or new income streams. For example, if your income increases by $1,000 a month, save or invest at least 50% of it before adjusting your spending. This keeps your financial progress on track while still allowing room for small rewards. Action step. Create a fixed budget for your current lifestyle and commit to it, regardless of pay raises or bonuses. Use any extra income strategically to build wealth. With spending under control, the next step is to accelerate your growth by reinvesting your gains. Step 7 is where wealth building gains momentum. Reinvest your gains. When you start seeing returns from your investments, side hustles, or other income streams, it's tempting to spend that money. But wealthy people take a different approach. They reinvest their gains to grow their wealth even faster. For example, if you earn dividends from stocks, reinvest them to buy more shares. If your rental property generates positive cash flow, use that money to pay down the mortgage faster or purchase another property. Reinvesting creates a snowball effect. Your wealth compounds as your returns generate even more returns. This strategy is how many people turn small investments into significant fortunes over time. Action step. Look at one source of income or investment that's generating returns and create a plan to reinvest those gains. Even small reinvestments add up when done consistently. With all 7 steps complete, you now have a clear roadmap to build wealth. Let's wrap up with some motivation to take action today. You've just learned 7 simple yet powerful steps to building wealth. But here's the thing, knowing these steps isn't enough. The key to success lies in taking action. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or think, I'll start tomorrow. But the reality is that every day you wait is a missed opportunity. Whether it's setting a financial goal, automating your savings, or starting to invest, even the smallest step today can lead to massive results in the future. Remember, Wealth isn't about perfection, it's about progress. The most successful people didn't get rich overnight. They followed a plan, stayed consistent, and gave themselves the time to let their efforts compound. Think about where you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years. The decisions you make today will shape that future. The great news is, you now have the tools and a roadmap to get there. Action step. Choose just one of these 7 steps and commit to starting it today. It doesn't have to be perfected, it just has to begin. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Let's wrap up with how you can take this further. If this video inspired you to take charge of your financial future, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 steps will you start with today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited to see how you're taking action. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who could benefit from these strategies. And, of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips, tools, and insights to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Every subscriber, every comment, and every like helps grow this community of action takers. Together, we're making financial success accessible to everyone, one step at a time. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your support means the world. Building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. With these 7 steps, you now have a clear and simple roadmap to follow. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about creating freedom, security, and the life you've always dreamed of. Every small step you take today brings you closer to that future. The journey to financial success begins with a single decision to take action. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never stop moving forward. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep striving for your goals. Your financial freedom is within reach.